Okay, good morning. I just took down my hair because I actually need to go to the grocery store because I forgot one more ingredient. I forgot red wine vinegar. I thought it was gonna be cute and just have this video of me just making the braised beef. But no, I obviously forgot something. So yeah, I'm about to go to the grocery store and do that. Just get that. I want to try to have the beef done today because I want to make braised beef pasta today. Which is like what mistake number 2 or 3 in one of the videos of like what beginners do is try to cook and eat in the same day. Listen, it's just me, so I don't gotta worry about it. I don't mind eating later on in the day. But also as like the beef is braising, I need to go to Ulta and pick up my order, which I did not get an email, or maybe I did. Did I get an email yet? No, I did not get an email saying that my order is ready. So I mean, I don't mind. I still have time. And then I might go to Trader Joe's because there's a Trader Joe's right next to that Ulta. So, yeah, let me go to the store. Let me go get this red wine vinegar so we can start. I already have, like, low-key bad feelings about this beef because even though I did a dry salt brine, I mean, it was sitting in its liquid. So, it's like, is it really a dry salt brine? Whatever, girl. It's my first time. Okay, leave me alone. Okay, let me go. All right, I'm back. I got the red wine vinegar. And yes, I'm in my room. But I also bought some mints. I've been needing to buy mints for like a long time. So I'm gonna take the sweater off and then we about to get to work. Okay. The trick didn't work this time. It's burnt. I even turned it on. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to leave that in for 5 hours, hopefully. So I'm gonna like clean up my mess and then get ready to go to Ulta because my order is ready. So, my goodness, I also need water. All right, let's get this done. Oh, sorry. I should not be allowed to go to Trader Joe's unattended or without a list. There's only one thing I've been wanting and needed, and it was a Trader Joe's organic milk. I'm not sure if this is the right one, but I mean, it says organic milk, so I got that finally, so I could use that in my oatmeal. 2 10-count of hash browns. This is definitely cheaper to get 2 of these at Trader Joe's than getting the 1 10-count at the grocery store. I usually get my hash brown because I went back again, still didn't have the 20-count. Strawberry or organic reduced sugar strawberry preserve. I need to probably throw away the other one that I have in here. I'm scared to check. I'm scared. Nope, doesn't look like there's mold, but I'm too scared. This is usually my go-to lunch or whenever I go to Trader Joe's. The turkey, spinach, and Swiss cheese wrap, and then the balala or balala. This yummy chickpea deliciousness. I got that because I'm really hungry right now and I still have over 2 hours for this to be done. I'm gonna eat this. Got some health shots. I got 2 ginger. Okay, 2 ginger and then 2 pineapple. I got these salmon pinwheels. For Thanksgiving, I made stuffed salmon, but when I went to go get the ingredients, I did see this and I almost bought it for Thanksgiving. And to help me use up milk, I got 2 boxes of cereal. It's been like probably a year since I've had cereal. Probably a little bit less, but yeah, anyways, I got their crunchy cinnamon squares and they're tiny fruity cuties. And I bought 2 loaves of bread. Bet you're thinking, Sarah, don't you make bread? Yes, I do, but I don't make these kind of bread. So this is their maple streusel bread. I was thinking I could put like maybe cream cheese and the strawberry jam on it as like a little sweet treat. And then I got their hand twisted cinnamon sugar bread, which I was actually looking for the pumpkin bread so I could make pumpkin French toast again, but I'll just make French toast with this. And I don't know why, but I grabbed this non-dairy chocolate oat beverage. Also, my camera's about to die, so we better hurry up. Then I got some beef broth. Don't need it, but I have it. And I finally got garlic powder, and I'm just reading up on this. I keep getting the wrong thing. Anyways, so I did get some stuff at Ulta. But I'll show y'all later. My camera is literally about to die and I'm very, very hungry. So we both need to charge. It is so cold, but it's been 5 hours. Yee! What? Not right now. I have beef to get out the oven. Ay-ya. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yo, it is so tender. Let's try it though. That is so good. That is so tender. Oh my goodness. How am I supposed to get this out without it completely falling apart? I'll figure it out. I need to let it cool down anyways. Can you give me a second, please? Okay. So you know what kind of sucks is that I'm not even hungry because I was gonna go ahead and make the pasta tonight and probably eat like a little bit of it, but I'm not hungry. I don't want I don't want any. So I'm gonna make the pasta tomorrow morning because I do have somewhere to go like middle of the day. So I'm gonna be able to, well, I mean, I could make, no. I'm gonna make the pasta in the morning because I'm actually not a huge fan of like a freshly cooked like pasta dish. I would rather let it sit, you know, a few hours or overnight to let, you know, the acids of the tomato do its thing. So I'll make the pasta dish in the morning before I leave. And then when I come home and have dinner, not only will I have food ready to go, but it's gonna taste so, oh so good. But you know who is hungry is these cats. I'm gonna feed them before they decide to feast on this pot and eat my delicious beef. It is so delicious. Okay, I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 9 something. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's 9:40. Just got done cleaning the kitchen and getting stuff ready for tomorrow. Oh, hello. Getting stuff ready for tomorrow because I do want to make the pasta like first thing in the morning. But to be honest, I'm about to go and like get ready for bed, but like as I'm like after I get ready for bed, I'm really going to be editing. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all tomorrow for the braised beef pasta.